was very cautious and conscious of my tooth and look. Maybe I was even using a COVID, wearing mask a lot, especially when I was outside. I had to go to many dentists. I would say easily about a dozen of them. Compare many factors, such as their experience. I have talked to the other patients of doctors and looked at the place, looked at the equipment and the procedures. I had a long discussion with the doctor beforehand, and combination of all these factors brought me to the point that it would be the best choice. Basically, I have received a lot of compliments from friends and family, and they were very pleased with the process and particularly the look. I can go back to the society.